Masks become one of the most common thing nowadays, and this is due to coronavirus disease. The production of masks in the world has increased manifold due to this epidemic. We all using masks these days, but do you know how masks are made? How they being prepared in factory? Surgical mask, also known as a procedure mask or simply as a face mask, is intended to be worn by health professionals during surgery and during nursing. Surgical face masks are made with non-woven fabric, which has better bacteria filtration and air permeability while remaining less slippery than woven cloth. The material most commonly used to make them is polypropylene, either 20 or 25 grams per square meter in density. Masks can also be made of polystyrene, polycarbonate, polyethylene, or polyester. Masks are made on a machine line that assembles the non-wovens from bobbins, ultrasonically welds the layers together. This 3-ply material is made up of a melt-blown material, which placed between non-woven fabric. The filtration level of a mask, however, depends on the fiber, the way it's manufactured, the web structure, and the fiber's cross-sectional shape. Once the mask ready, there are 3 different ways to secure it, and the most popular is the ear loop. In this process, a string-like material is attached to the mask and placed behind the ears. Once this process is completed, the process of packing and sending these masks begins. In small factories this process is done by the workers there, and in large production factories this process is done by machines. So that's how surgical masks are made. If still there is any questions, kindly let us know in comments section.